thank you for joining us. Today, we honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and celebrate the values of unity, diversity, democracy, and freedom that continue to define our nation. आज भारत के 80वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस के इस गौरवपूर्ण अवसर पर आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन है।
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय दाता जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
The 80th Independence Day of our beloved motherland, India, Bharat. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to convey my warm greetings and best wishes to all of you. And as is the tradition, I would now like to read some excerpts, and I quote: On the 15th of August 1947, Bharat Mata was liberated from the shackles of subjugation. Every citizen became an architect of the destiny of independent India. The true meaning of freedom lies in ensuring that all citizens are able to utilize opportunities to fulfill their aspirations and work towards the goal of making national campaigns are being implemented through active participation of the people. This is an inspiring achievement of our democracy. equality of status and of opportunity, along with the dignity of individuals, are among the cherished ideals of our Constitution. Today, people from ordinary backgrounds are making extraordinary contributions in many fields. This strengthens my belief that in today's Bharat, everyone can dream big and also realize such dreams. My dear fellow citizens, during the period of little over a decade, our country has witnessed rapid and inclusive development. Priority harmonizing heritage and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you very much.
जो मेन कैमरा मैन है उसको सब इधर देखिए प्लीज।
Oh, this is fantastic. It's a great celebration. Love coming here every year at the consulate to celebrate Indian Independence Day. And of course, it's a very special year being the 80th this year. So congratulations, and I hope everyone has a really great celebration.
I'm Rear Admiral Rajinder Singh, and it's always a pleasure to be at CGI celebrating the Independence Day and as well as the Republic Day. Wishing all my Indian friends, all the Indian diaspora, the Indo-Canadians, a very happy Independence Day. This is a day we pay tribute and homage to our freedom fighters, and also a thought goes to our Jawans who are at the border safeguarding our freedom. I am sure in the years to come, India will find a rightful place in the world order. Thank you, and wishing again a very happy Independence Day.
There's nothing like that. It is 80. There's nothing like that. It is 18th birthday we are celebrating for our Indian Air Force and Independence Day. I am from Air Force, and I joined also Air Force in 1961 when I was 20 years old. No, I left the Air Force when I was Kargil war was on also. That time I left 97. So I joined everything. I have seen Air Force, and I have seen what is the changes make within in this year. Lot of changes was there in India, and lot of I am thank you for that one. There's nothing like that.
Today we are here to remember the sacrifices of our Yadigal Hatiye, I would say.
Tell us your experience in being a part of it and introduce yourself also. Experience बताइए अपना और आपने अपना introduce भी करो थोड़ा सा.
Experience of coming over here, and it's really we appreciate every year we remember our veterans, we remember our the people who give a life, even the partition, they lost their loved ones, they lost their home, they lost their the properties, and I always say we should remember them always.
Experience is great, I would say, especially living in a beautiful country like Canada, where we are invited in the Consulate General to celebrate the 80th Independence Day of world's biggest democracy, our motherland, India. What to say? I'm with two stalwarts here, being interviewed by another stalwart. What else can I ask better for? Jai Hind.
Well, absolutely. Every year we meet on this Independence Day, and today the 80th Independence Day of India. Not only I am myself proud, but look at around. The whole community is feeling joy, prosperous. The reason all the soldiers and people has done the sacrifice. This is the day we are not only celebrating but remembering and praising what people has done to gain the independence of India. And thank you so much to DD also to spread the awareness, love and prosperity among us. Myself, Don Patel from Humans for Harmony with Robert Barakat and Ashok Patel. Not only we are here representing our own community, but we are representing all India and trying to make sure that India-Canada bilateral relationship flourish, and based on that everybody lives in a peace and harmony and betterment of Canada also. Thank you so much.
So as a Canadian as an Indian in Canada, it is wonderful to be a part of this beautiful event. Really lovely meeting all these people, and the energy is amazing, the patriotism is amazing, and it's just very nice to see all these people gathered here for the cause. And it's just wonderful. A lot of energy, a lot of good people, lot of Indianness here. So Jai Hind.
Having these type of initiatives here in Canada, how important it is to have these type of initiatives?
I think it's very important. It's very important to stay with the roots. It's for our coming generations and for all of us here as Indians. India is always our heart, and no matter wherever we go, we carry it with us. So yeah.
Happy Independence Day to all.
Happy Independence Day.
Bharat Mata ki
Jai.
Bharat Mata ki
Jai.
Bharat Mata ki
Jai.
Vande
Mataram.
Vande
Mataram.
Vande
Mataram.
Jai Bharat.
Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Hello, my name is Shafali. I visited Toronto for the very first time, and attending this celebration, it's like it is giving me goosebumps. Many a times I got tears in my eyes, but such a wonderful celebration I'm experiencing for the first time, like in foreign country. So yeah, I'm feeling very honored. Thank you so much.
I would like to convey my warm greetings to all Indians across Canada, especially in Toronto and nearby places who came here to celebrate Independence Day with us. My warm greetings to everyone for this 80th Independence Day. I hope that the community prosper here and contribute to the Indo-Canada friendship. Thank you very much.
My name is Aarti Anand and this is my friend Natasha Manji. We are students and teachers in a school called MDO Kathak Toronto, and our teacher is Joanna D'Souza ji. It's a dance school that operates in downtown Toronto, and we've got all these aspiring dancers and students learning constantly and developing personal works and pieces. It's lovely. We are very privileged to be part of the school, and today was an amazing experience. I mean, this captive audience and this very engaged crowd is something very unique. We loved how responsive they were. We loved how motivating that they were. I mean, it was amazing to perform for them. We couldn't have asked for any better involvement from the audience than today. So.